2017 Audi S7 V8 Turbo. What we got done on this thing. Factory converters up there somewhere. And there. Then resonator delete there. Second resonator delete there. Then a rear muffler delete there and there. I know they come with the valves, so what we do with the valves is we zip tie them away. There, as you guys can see. And another one on the other side somewhere. So it basically opens it up all the way, makes it throaty and rowdy. Rowdy! You guys remember Rowdy Piper from wrestling? I don't know if you guys watch wrestling. Anyways, that reminded me of him. And then we put some quad tips out the back to complete the look. There will be a link in the description for them also. There's the two mufflers we cut off, there and there. There's the resonator. I don't know where he put with the other two. The other two resonators are over there. You can't see them, but anyways. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Audi S7. Go ahead, straight pipe with quad tips. Came out absolutely. Listen to that beast. Oh, baby. That sounds phenomenal. Listen to that. Woo! Wow. That's a pop right there. That's amazing. Here's sound decibels again. 115 again. 160 is probably even 116. That's amazing. I like it. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Wow. I love it. Look at that pop. You guys got it. That's a badass Audi right there. Let you guys hear on the inside. That's nice. Those tips are perfect for it too. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man, no problem. All day, dude. I'll send anybody here.
Audi S7, fully straight pot with quad tips. Enjoy, guys. Smoked in an Audi. You hear that barbell, dude?